Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning on your phone's location and giving Snapchat permission to use it. This lets the app find nearby users. Once done, enable background app refresh so location updates while the app runs. Make sure you're signed in and your phone number is verified, because Snapchat sometimes limits features for new or unverified accounts. These steps are necessary to use Snap Map and nearby features. Without them, you'll see limited or no results, so don't skip verification. You pinch the camera screen to open Snap Map and then look for the Add Nearby or See Nearby options. This scans for people around your location. Once started, Snapchat lists users who have also enabled Discovery. Make sure you and the other person are both visible on the map. If you want tighter results, use filters like mutual friends or school to narrow the list. This middle step is about matching visibility and proximity. So coordinate settings with friends. If you want to, you finish by tapping any nearby profile to send a friend request or a quick snap. Then wait for the other person to confirm. If you don't see people, move to a more public area, ask friends to open Snap Map, and refresh. Location needs recent activity to show. If problems persist, make sure Snapchat is up to date, permissions are correct, and your account is verified. Reboot the phone as a last resort. This troubleshooting tip fixes most visibility and discovery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.